Oh shit, what's good? I didn't see that. Hold on, I'll be right back. What's up? I know. I've been gone. School been here. See, I don't got waves no more. I had waves when I was in my last video. I'm looking a little crazy right now. I'm trying to get a haircut, but besides that, we still gonna be on the grind. I took a 3-week break. It seemed like a month. That's how long it seemed without being on YouTube. It seemed like a month. For real, a month. I done changed on my socials. I done got a whole new YouTube name. It's not Playboy Man no more. It's just Kwame. It's the whole name. Kwame with 2 R's, QYMRR. You feel me? But today, we're making a pair of black stack jeans. And either there's gonna be music behind it, or there's gonna be my voice over music. I think I'm gonna be talking to y'all about why I haven't been doing YouTube. I'm not quitting or nothing, but just why I haven't been doing YouTube. And things that happened while I was growing, you feel me? Even though it was only 3 weeks, so a lot of things happened in 3 weeks. Think about it or not. A lot of things happened in 3 weeks. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell your auntie, tell your grandmother, tell your dog, tell a 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 dog, you feel me? No cap, let's get it. Hey, roll the new intro.
Popping the pill stand. Shawty on the block with me, wearing Shannon. Too much dope in here, I can't smash, man.
As you can see, I've cut this pair of jeans. Do not on my toes. I mean, oh my god, Jesus.
That's nasty. I'm gonna go throw up.
But I've cut these pair of jeans. As you can see, I've been threading this one already. The threading process is like the way I do it is a little messy, but it does not matter to me because I feel as though it's like it just doesn't matter because you're not gonna see this anyway once you scrunch the jeans up, so it doesn't matter. But I've done this first half, which was kind of wrong, but it doesn't look bad when I put it on. What you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure the jeans are inside out. Turn these pair of jeans inside out. Once the jeans that you have cut are inside out, you want to place the rip part, like the part that you cut off the other pair of jeans, on this. So you want to, hold on, I'm going to show you guys a different angle. So I'm just showing you the pen here. I have a 2-hole pen. This is a skinny pen, and yeah, I recommend this one because it doesn't make big holes in your jeans as bigger needles will. Okay, so right here, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to show you how to thread a needle. To thread a needle, what you do is you get the thread, you stick the thread through the bottom hole, and then you loop it around to the top hole. And once you get to the top hole, you pull the strings together as if they're equal, as if you do a shoelaces when you're tying shoes, to make sure they're equal. And knot it. You can knot it multiple times just in case so your jeans won't fall apart or so like the thread won't come out. So right here I'm showing you the 2 brims that I put together. Make sure the brims are together, or you can cut those either. But what I did was I put the needle in from the outside, and then I loop it around back again to the outside, and keep doing it like that. You should use as much thread as possible so that your jeans do not fall apart. And as I said already, you can also what is it called? You can also cut the brims of the jeans. And yeah, I just recommend you to keep doing that as many times as you can. You can either go in or out, or just out and keep going out and out and out, so it loops around the jeans. But yeah, enjoy the video.
Keep it a band, that rocket in my hands. I feel in my relays, cause these niggas now you dead. And I'm tired with them shooters from the south. I heard that chopper put that pistol in your mouth. Man, I got one, too many, need calls from you, and I'm being.
We gon' stomp him out. He talking way too fucking much. What's there to talk about? He's speaking crazy out of neck, so we gon' walk him down. We at your house cause you ain't coming out.
Morph made this shit.
Put an L writing on shit like a Lexus. Up on my girl, shit from text like a Lexus. Bitches in your neck, make it spin like the Exorcist.